Hi everyone! I'm back again with a brand new DIY, and today we're going to make some super cute Christmas ornaments using ball-shaped board ornaments. These are perfect for decorating your tree, giving as gifts, or just adding a cozy touch to your home. I can't wait to show you exactly what I'm doing. So I had some board letters on hand, and I thought it would be fun to combine them with 4 of these ornaments. I didn't remove the hanging strings because I really liked how they make the ornaments look ready to hang from the start. Sometimes it's nice to keep a little of that original charm. Next, I started painting. I picked 4 different colors: white, blue, green, and red. I painted the first ornament white and set it aside to dry. I love starting with white because it's like a blank canvas. You can turn it into anything. Then I painted the second one blue, the third green, and the fourth red. I made sure to let each one dry completely before moving on, because rushing this part never works. Patience is key in crafts. While waiting for the paint to dry, I like to take a moment to just look at the colors together. I love how festive these 4 colors look side by side. It really puts me in the Christmas spirit. Once everything was dry, I went back to the white ornament and painted some red stripes on it to make it look like a candy cane. This is one of my favorite parts because it's so simple, but it adds so much charm. You could do stripes, dots, or whatever pattern you like. Then I added some stickers to make them even cuter. I put a snowman sticker on the white, blue, and green ornaments, and a little Christmas tree sticker on the red one. These stickers are such an easy way to add personality without too much effort, and they really make each ornament feel unique. As I worked, I imagined these ornaments hanging on a tree, sparkling under the lights. I love that feeling. The little details, like stickers or stripes, can make a big difference in how magical something feels. Now comes the fun part, adding the words. I used my board letters to spell out peace, joy, Noel, and Merry Christmas. I put one word on each ornament. It's amazing how letters can turn a simple ornament into something special and meaningful. Every time I see them, They remind me of the holiday spirit and what makes this season so wonderful. I like to take my time with this step, arranging the letters just right. Sometimes I even move them around a few times until it feels perfect. It's all part of the process, and it's so satisfying when it comes together. After all the painting, stickers, and letters, I set them aside and just looked at them. I love seeing all the colors together, the little snowman, the candy cane stripes, the Christmas tree, and the words that remind me of the season. It's the kind of projects that warms your heart while you make it. These ornaments would look amazing on your tree, or you could put them on a wreath, a garland, or even give them as gifts to friends and family. The best part? Each one is unique because you made it with your own hands. And there you have it, 4 adorable festive board ornaments that are ready to spread Christmas cheer. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me today. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIYs, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays, everyone!